In the world of mutual funds, thematic funds stand out as a unique way for investors to align their portfolios with the latest trends. But what exactly are thematic funds, and how do they work? Let's start by understanding what thematic funds are all about. Thematic funds are a type of mutual fund that focuses on a specific theme or trend. This theme could be anything from sustainable investing to technological innovation. Unlike traditional funds that diversify across sectors, thematic funds concentrate their investments on companies poised to benefit from a particular trend. Now let's look at how thematic funds work. Imagine a traditional sector fund that invests solely in banking companies. A thematic fund, however, takes a different approach. Let's look at a popular theme in India: digital transformation. This fund would invest in companies across various sectors that are enabling this digital shift. For example, the fund might invest in, first, information technology, a company providing cloud computing solutions for businesses. Second, telecom, a telecom company expanding its high-speed internet infrastructure. Third, financial services, a fintech company offering digital payment solutions. Fourth, education, an online education platform catering to the growing demand for digital learning. Even though these companies are in different sectors, they're all connected by the digital transformation theme and stand to gain as India embraces digital technologies. Once you understand how thematic funds work, you might be curious about the advantages they offer. Thematic funds offer several advantages. First, they provide diversification across sectors, reducing the risk of being overly invested in one industry. By concentrating on a specific theme, these funds can offer exposure to a variety of companies that are positioned to benefit from a long-term trend. This can be particularly advantageous if you believe in the potential of a particular theme. Second, they have the potential for high returns if you can identify a hot trend. It's important to remember that this potential comes with increased risk, as thematic funds are generally more concentrated than traditional funds. Not all investors are suited for thematic funds. Here, we'll discuss who should consider thematic investments. Thematic funds are ideal for investors with a high risk tolerance, a long-term investment horizon, and a good understanding of the sectors related to the fund's theme. Be prepared for market ups and downs, and remember that thematic trends can take time to pay off. Before you jump into thematic funds, there are some important things to keep in mind. Carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. Thematic funds are focused and can be risky. They also require a long investment horizon to see significant returns. Be mindful of the fund's expense ratio, which can eat into your profits. Now, let's take a look at some thematic mutual funds in India. Here's a look at the top 5 performing thematic mutual funds in India. ICICI Prudential Manufacturing Fund Direct Growth emerges as the top performer. Other funds also delivered impressive returns over the past 3 and 5 years. These include ICICI Prudential India Opportunities Fund, Sundaram Services Fund, and ICICI Prudential Exports and Services Fund. It's important to remember past performance isn't a guarantee of future results, so thorough research and risk tolerance assessment are crucial before investing in any mutual fund, including these. Thematic funds offer an exciting way to invest in the future, but they require careful planning. By understanding the risks and rewards, you can position yourself to profit from this dynamic corner of the mutual fund market. Want to learn more about thematic funds? Subscribe to our channel for more investment tips. Thanks for watching.